All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Thursday adverbs. So like, something that is akin to something else. This is like that. That is like them. She is not like him. She's not the same as him. She is not like him. They are different. It does not taste like chocolate. It does not taste like chocolate. Yeah, like. They are not like their cousins. No, they are not like each other. They are not like each other. Not the same. No. Yeah. We used to be like him. See, we used to be like him, but we changed over time and grew up. Yeah, grew up, we changed. Yeah. Yeah. I am not trying to be like him. Yes, we have to be our own person and not be like others too much. Be our own person, not like them. No. Yeah. She does not want to grow up to be like her. Yeah. Just try not to grow up and be like them. Yeah, don't be like them. Don't behave like them. Don't think like them. Don't think like them. Don't think like them. It won't get you far in life. Quite important. Yeah. So like for like, akin to something or someone else. Yeah. This book is not like that book. So this book is not like this book. They are not the same. They're not alike. They're different. Yeah, this book is not like this book, and vice versa. This book is not like this book. Not the same. Yeah. But you are just like your teacher. I am just like my mother. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use like in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.